So tonight's dinner is just going to be a quick dinner since we have a clogged sink and don't want to make a big mess. I'm going to take 6 of the larger Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to give them a slice down the side, layer it up with some leftover ham from the other day and Swiss cheese. Then I'll show you what else we're doing. Alright, I've got my ham on there, my Swiss cheese, and I'm just going to drop the lids on these buns right here, and then we'll make the topping that goes over that. Next, we're going to take 6 tablespoons of butter and we're going to melt it and add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 1½ teaspoons of minced onion, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and it says a tablespoon of parsley, but I'm guessing that was fresh parsley. So we're going to just use about a teaspoon of dried parsley, and we're going to mix that all together. If you have a tiny little whisk, this will actually help you mix all of that together better. Oops. Or over the side if you're not watching what you're doing. But the Dijon mustard has a tendency to clump, so what we're going to do is once this is all mixed together, we're going to take our pan here, and I'm going to pull these sides up tight against the rolls so that when we put the mixture over the top, it doesn't just go off onto the side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take by the spoonful and I'm just going to pour this over the top. I'm just going to continue until all of it is gone. It was probably a lot more than I needed, but now that it's all completely covered, I'm going to cover it with some tin foil, and I'm going to bake it in that 350-degree oven for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to uncover it and continue baking for another 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, they've been in for the prescribed amount of time, so now I'm going to take the lid off and let them crisp up. Okay, I just took the lid off and now I'm going to let them bake for another 5 minutes. Alright, they're out of the oven, they're ready to cut and eat. Hope you guys all have a great night. Stay safe out there.